Ever crave waffles but hate the morning mess? I used to skip homemade breakfasts. Too much hassle. Crowded kitchen, sticky pans, endless cleanup. And don't get me started on bulky appliances. Waffle cravings meant piles of dishes and wasted time. I'd settle for cold cereal instead. Boring, right? But then I found the DASH Mini Waffle Maker. This little gadget changed my breakfast routine forever. It's compact, fits anywhere, even in tiny kitchens. Quick heat up means no waiting around hungry. Non-stick plates make cleanup a breeze. Just wipe and go. Perfect for rushed mornings, busy families, or students. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Plug it in, wait a minute for it to heat. Add your favorite batter, classic, chocolate, or protein. Close the lid and let the magic happen. In just a few minutes, golden waffles appear. No sticking, no burning, no guessing. Look at these crispy, perfectly shaped waffles. Great for breakfast, snacks, or even dessert. Kids love making their own mini waffles. It's safe, simple, and fun for the whole family. Cleanup? Just wipe the non-stick surface. Done in seconds. No soaking, no scrubbing, no stress. The compact size means it stores easily anywhere. Dorm rooms, apartments, RVs, no problem. It's also perfect for gifting. Everyone loves waffles. Pair it with syrup, fruit, or even ice cream. Try savory waffles with cheese or veggies. The possibilities are endless. Get creative. I use mine for quick breakfast before work. My kids use it for after-school snacks. Weekend brunch? Everyone gets their own custom waffle. Hosting friends? Set up a waffle bar. So easy. No need for fancy skills. Just add batter and wait. The DASH Mini Waffle Maker does the rest. It's reliable, fast, and always delivers tasty results. Plus, it looks cute on any countertop. Red color adds a pop of fun to your kitchen. If you're short on space, this is a lifesaver. No more clutter, just delicious waffles anytime. Perfect for students who want quick meals. Families love it for easy weekend breakfasts. Kitchen gadget fans will appreciate the clever design. Non-stick surface means less oil, healthier waffles. Fast heat up saves time every morning. Cleanup takes seconds, no more soaking pans. Compact size makes it easy to store. Take it on trips, use it in dorms, anywhere. Amazon offers everyday low prices on kitchen gadgets. Order online and get fast shipping with Prime. Check out exclusive deals and digital content too. Experienced merchants recommend it for quality and value. DASH products are designed for family fun and togetherness. Make breakfast an event, not a chore. Kids can help out, safe and easy to use. Try themed waffles for holidays or birthdays. Mini waffles are perfect for parties and gatherings. Everyone gets a fresh, hot waffle in minutes. No more waiting in line at crowded brunch spots. Enjoy homemade taste anytime, right at home. The DASH Mini Waffle Maker is a game changer. Say goodbye to breakfast stress and mess. Say hello to quick, delicious, easy waffles. Ready to upgrade your mornings? Grab your DASH Mini Waffle Maker on Amazon now. Enjoy fast shipping and great deals with Prime. Make breakfast fun, simple, and delicious again. Don't wait, your perfect waffle is just minutes away. Order today and start your day with a smile. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.